But whether you're a gardener, a homesteader, or a farmer, what are you farming? You're really farming the sun. And so
Yes.
the most solar capture you can have, the more organic matter is accumulated, the more organic matter is pumped into the soil. And it all makes sense. You don't want areas that are brown in your garden. You want as much green because while it's green, it's growing. While it's green, it's capturing sun. It's like
Right.
green is like money in the bank. I mean, it's good for your soil, it's good for you.
That's a great way of thinking of it. You're a solar harvester. I never thought about that, but that is what you're doing. And the more you read about it, you're capturing energy from the sun. The plants are doing this thing that you can't do, right? You're completely dependent. All the life on the planet really is dependent on plants' ability to turn carbon dioxide into oxygen, and it captures energy into the sun so that things that can't do that eat those things and can keep going. So as a gardener, you're completely connected to that process. So it's a really good way of looking at it.